Okay, what side do you want to paint? This, or this?
This.
You want to paint it on that side?
Yes.
Okay. Your plate. Paint it all over, okay?
That?
You need to get a little bit more on your brush, look. Paint it all over. Uh-oh, sorry.
Oh.
We'll wipe it off. Good job. Okay, so it has to sit there, Reagan, so it can dry, okay?
Okay.
All right, while we're doing that, do you want to water some?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to turn the water hose on so we can water the flowers. Good job, Reagan. Don't hold it up high, though, okay? We don't want to get the house wet. Thank you so much for helping me with my flowers today. You draw your lines. Good job.
I thought all the such a birthday party.
Okay. All right, I think you have enough now. Pick your eyes. Uh-oh. Set them down where you want them to go.
I dropped one.
Okay, it's okay. All right, you're gonna use the pink eyes.
Let's go. I made it.
You made it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, what did you make, Reagan?
I made a smiley face in the hair.
You did? Do you like it? It's very nice. I like the pink googly eyes. Was that fun to make?
Yes. Let's make another one, okay?
You want to make another one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
Okay. Look what I have.
Nice.
What is that?
Nice.
Noise. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
What is it?
Fairies.
Huh?
Fairies.
Fairies? Pick it
Yeah.
up.
No, it's not fairies.
What is it?
It's bubbles.
Bubbles. Yes. Would you like to blow the bubbles?
Yes.
Okay. Do you need more? Here, Reagan, get some more.
Okay. Can I hold this?
No, because I don't want you to spill them, okay? I'll hold them for you. Get a little bit more.
Yeah. Papa, they went away.
They blew away?
Yes.
Okay, one more. All right. Woo, that was a lot of Ah.